So good evening everyone. Today I'm going to show you the kitchen design which we have done a project in Rohan Abhilasha 2 BHK flat. So first we have a kitchen partition which you can say it as a bar counter or a kitchen partition between kitchen and living room. We have used here CNC machine cutting jali inside, and we have given a provision for the profile light and acrylic sheet so that the lights emits from the jali and it is giving a very great look of tree design. And we have used a black tinted glass over it, and we have given so many sections here. We have given 3 hanging lights here, and the whole kitchen is made up of glass acrylic and a soft close tandem drawer. I'm going to show you each and every drawer separately. This is the one section we have given to keep anything and a shelf inside. Okay, and it is cutlery section, Onyx brand soft close. It is a cup and saucer section. These are all soft close. And thali section. We have given a mounted hob by cutting out the granite section, and by placing the hob inside that granite. We have given a chimney, the automatic chimney without any duct, and there is a shutter of the chimney. We have given 2 crockery section made up of glass, and we have given a provision of 1 light inside to make the things which is kept inside like decorative glasses or decorative plates, so that it can be easily visible to our eyes. Okay. So these are the crockery sections. This is the hydraulic section. We have used combination of both openable panel and the hydraulic sections. This is the aquaguard area. We have given provision of light so that the level of water inside the aquaguard can be seen easily. This is the tandem for bigger utensils, the 2 tandem drawer. Both are soft closing for keeping bigger utensils. This is a pull out. You can keep the water bottles, oil bottles or spices inside this pull out. There is one more section for keeping big boxes of flour or wheat or rices or anything. This is the dustbin area. You will keep the dustbin just below the basin. We have changed the basin. Okay, we have changed the basin and have kept a surface basin here and a surface mounted tap. Okay, we have used a correct combination of black basin and a white color of granite. Okay, so the builder is giving a walnut brown color of granite and a white matte tile. So we have changed the granite and the tile also inside the kitchen, and we have used the old granite and the old tile just in the dry balcony. We have given a provision of 1 small kitchen here to wash the utensils here, because it's too hectic and too bad for you for washing out the utensils here in front of the guest. So to hide washing utensils, we have given a separate area. Okay, just inside the platform we have given a provision for the dishwasher, and just beside we have given a provision for the washing machine, and we have given so many storage area for the dry balcony to keep the clothes, to keep these utensils or anything. You can keep anything inside the loft also. Okay, we have given a slider, 2 sliding window here and a grill outside for the safety purpose. Okay, and here come to the fridge area. This is the fridge we have kept inside, and it is the tall area. Here you can keep the microwave. Here it is the platform we have given for the mixer. You can use the mixer here. It is a rigid platform. You can use the mixer here. And just below the platform we have given bigger basket for keeping of the vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, anything. Yeah, we have given 1 drawer just below this. Okay, and we have given the hydraulic lofts. Okay, we have given 6 lofts here. Okay, so in this way we can design our kitchen. We have given so many lightings here, 4 panel lights. This section we have used the wallpaper. Okay, and we have given the profile lights provision just below the lofts, just below the crockery section, just you can see the lighting inside, a strip lighting, profile lighting, just below the cabinet also. So in this way we can design the kitchen in so many ways. In this kitchen we have used lightings, we have used glass acrylic, soft close tandem doors, and we have used crockery section of glass, aluminum, profile doors. So this is how we can design our kitchen. Okay. So thank you so much.